Welcome back to Set 4. So today we're going to be taking a look at 4 products sent to me by Aukey. So now, remember to go to the description below to find the links to each of these products, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now, let's get started. So first of all, we can take a look at the portable power bank that they have sent. So in the box, we have 2 main things. So we have the 20,000 mAh portable charger and a USB-C to USB-A cable. So when I first saw the charger, I thought it was quite big in comparison to what I was expecting. But then again, it's also very thin, which means it would easily slip into a side pocket of your bag. And it does weigh quite a bit. However, it does contain a 20,000 mAh battery, which means this should be expected. So in terms of the ports, we have several. There are 6 ports on this charger. It has a micro USB port, which can be used to charge it, a lightning port, which can also be used to charge it, a USB-C port, which can supply power to devices, and also be used to charge it. And then it has 3 USB-A ports, which are each used to supply power to various devices. So therefore, I do think that this device has a substantial number of ports, and this obviously means that you can charge several devices at one time, which is great. And the fact that it supports USB-C, which is arguably what all technology is moving towards, means that it can support several current day devices, like the new MacBooks. So as well as the charger itself, we also have the charging cable, which is a standard USB-C cable, and this is quite good because it means you can charge the charger with it as well as charge your phone or tablet. And I would say that the cable is of a decent level of quality, as it seems to be about the same strength as an Apple charging cable. So next, we can take a look at the wall charger, with 4 built-in USB-A ports as well as a normal wall socket. So this charger is great if you want to open up several new ports to make use of one wall outlet. It has been designed very well, as there is a section at the bottom of the wall charger which has a nice shine to it. And I think this does make it stand out a lot, and it definitely looks very attractive. So therefore, I would recommend this product, as I think it can be easily incorporated into your daily lives. So now we can move on to take a look at one of the 2 lamps we have today. So first, let's take a look at the colour changing lamp. Now this lamp has very nice cylindrical design, with a rubber bottom to be able to grip onto its surface. And this light creates a shine through the whole surface of the lamp, which creates a nice glow of colour throughout the room. And on top of all of this, the lamp has a base which is touch sensitive, and this can be used in order to create all the different colours with different brightnesses. So this lamp must be plugged in when being used, as it does not run off battery or anything like this. And this is why there's a supplied charger in the box. So I would highly recommend this product, as it's a very nice lamp that can be easily incorporated into a nice desk setup. And I think so many people could make great use of this product. So lastly, we can take a look at an amazing lamp which can create white and yellow light. So my initial thoughts on this lamp is that it's certainly very well built and attractive, and it has a nice glossy black colour throughout, which makes it look quite futuristic. I would say that this is probably the most attractive lamp that I've ever seen. And on top of this, it works very well, and it has a touch-sensitive control panel which is extremely responsive. This lamp has several features built in. You can initiate a night light, which can create a soft little bit of light, which is perfect during the night. And there are also several other modes which can alter the colour of the light slightly, between being very white to being very yellow. And on top of this, you can control the brightness of each mode to make it suit your requirements. Then lastly, you also have a timer mode, which is where the lamp will switch off after an hour when pressed. And this is obviously very useful for leaving the light on before you go to bed or something. So overall, I would strongly recommend this product, as it seems very well made and thought about, and especially due to a very low price of only £28 on Amazon. So therefore, I would urge you to take a look at the other products as well as this one, as they are all very useful, and I will definitely be incorporating them into my working life. So don't forget to go to the description below and take a look at each product. And remember to subscribe to this channel and follow me on other social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.